In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Wise customer support. Whether you have a question about your account, a transaction issue, or need help with something urgent, Wise makes it easy to get assistance. Start by logging into your Wise account using the app or a web browser. Once you're logged in and on your dashboard, look for the Help or Support option. This is usually found in the main menu or near your profile section. Tap or click on it to open the Wise Help Center. Inside the Help Center, you will see different support options based on your account and recent activity. Wise typically offers live chat, phone support, and email support, so you can choose what works best for you. If you want quick help, select the chat option. You will usually start with automated assistance, but you can request a human support agent if needed. This is ideal for fast answers and common issues. For more complex problems, you can choose the phone support option. Speaking directly with a Wise representative can help resolve detailed or urgent concerns more efficiently. If your issue isn't urgent or requires documents or explanations, you can use email support. Make sure to include all relevant details in your message so the support team can help you faster. And that's it. By using the Wise Help Center, you can quickly connect with customer support through the method that suits you best. Thanks for watching and feel free to explore more Wise guides to make managing your account even easier.